It's definitely not Stephanie's choice. I'll tell you that. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Stephanie. Today I have a review for Give by Gwen Stefani. First product, the first try here is the Give IC in color. It's a multi-dimensional eyeshadow quad, and I got the shade Danger Zone. There wasn't a lot of options in the Sephora that I went. There was two other were not really that appealing to me. My eyes were on the Rich Girl, but that was not available. Anyways, guys, let's see how this goes. We're just gonna play. I am going to prime the eyes. I'm gonna get you a little bit closer. I'm gonna fast forward through all these steps because otherwise this video will be just too long. So I am going to start first and foremost with the lightest shade here, which is Too Late. I'm going to take this shade and apply it underneath the brow. Thing I will say, it is a very powdery. I don't know if the camera is catching that. So again, I don't mind so much if there's fallouts on my palette, but I don't want to see it on my face. You know, the best practice to take on is to always tap your brush before applying it on your lids. Even though I am like tapping, even look, I keep tapping, there's like more and more and more product, and even when, again, even after tapping one or twice, there is still a little bit of fallout on the skin, and it's falling right here. I can see it on like my actual brow hairs, and a little bit on the eyelashes, which is an indicator that, you know, this is kind of traveling even after applying it onto the skin and blending. Okay. Let's see. Let's keep going. Now I'm going to go with this shade here, Your Ghosts, and I'm using the Patrick Ta brush here for eyes 1. And again, oh, look at all that fallout. Oh my God, this is so powdery, you guys. This is very powdery. Okay, I'm going to keep my eyes open, and I'm just going to look straight and kind of come from underneath the eye there. I am going to move on to the line step. Give Line It Up 24-hour gel pencil eyeliner. Oh, this cap was in so hard, you guys, that look. I broke the tip off. Guys, this retails for $21. So far, it has great reviews on Sephora. I've had this for, let me see, where's the receipt? I get so mad at myself, you guys, because this and the other product that I'm reviewing today by Dior, the concealer, I've had it now for over a week and a half, maybe. And instead of like doing what I should do, which is like record right away and get it out there so that I can be one of the first, I fucking procrastinate. All right, so this is not sharpening good. I'm gonna try a different sharpener, you guys. Look how much product look how smaller this pencil looks from when I started this tutorial, and the tip keeps breaking off. You guys, I am going to line my eyes to be perfect because we're gonna smoke that out. But you know, the thicker that you begin with, and the thicker your overall look is going to be. So I am going to just smudge that. I'm gonna just bring the liner like inner, like a little bit closer to the, like that inner lash line, and then I'm just gonna smoke that. But I'm not gonna go past that crease that like naturally my eye creates. I'm gonna grab this pen angle brush. You guys, it does exactly what it claims to do. It sets within a few seconds. I'm going to tight line, so I'm gonna, which is what I was going to do, but now I need to make sure I have like no makeup anywhere. I'm gonna tight line, so I'm gonna waterline, my bottom waterline now. And this, I'm just gonna smoke and smudge. Going into this black right here, this is the Never Know. And ooh, again, same powdery situation. And I am going to apply it over that eyeliner that we just, you know, over the liner that we applied. I'm just gonna go over. So I'm going to take a small blending brush and I'm going to dip it in the shade here, Secret, which is the shade next to that black. And I'm going to start like going kind of like back and forth, and now from here I can't really see that shade. Barely any pigment in this shade here. So I'm not really seeing much, but you know, let's just make it work. So I'm gonna smoke this bottom. You guys, so I can tell you right now that this palette is not worth it. I have to be 100% honest. Not buildable much. There's just better palettes out there for the price. These remind me, the quality of them remind me of like drugstore. This is very, I would just pass on this particular shade. Now, that being said, I do want to try out the other shade, or at least, not even so much the other shades, but that Rich Girl one. So I might, depending on how the rest of this tutorial goes. I do want to point out the inside of the packaging, how cute it is, like a bandana. And I love it. The packaging, everything gets an A, but the actual quality of the eyeshadows. Okay, so I did a little bit more work to my face, you guys. But I do want to finalize my eyes before I move on. So I'm just going to go over with no product, without adding any more product, because I don't want to keep adding this eyeshadow, you guys. One thing I will tell you is that the eyeshadow is just so powdery. It never really sets on the skin. I'm noticing that, like, you know, as soon as my eyes kind of move, the placement of the eyeshadow also moves, which is no bueno. You know, at some point it needs to stay where you want it and not, you know, not be all over the place. So the verdict still stands that this eyeshadow palette is definitely not Stephanie's choice. Like a layer of the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I'm gonna like heavily pack this on. I was swatching some other colors. I'm like recording 5 different videos at the same time. So I was watching some colors, so my lips look a little bit red already. So I picked up 2 lipsticks. The first one I'm gonna share with you. So again, the same recyclable packaging. Love the detail. Check out, the packaging is really pretty. I will say that. And check out the bullet. Pretty. So this is, and we know that Gwen Stefani is known for her bright red lips. So this is the Original Me Clean High Performance Matte Lipstick. It retails for $26. And this is, again, is the Original Me. And what should we know? So this is a true red, and it's full coverage, matte finish. It's clean at Sephora, cruelty-free, vegan. And it's a luxurious, high-performance, clean lipstick formula with high color payoff and velvety matte finish. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it straight from the bullet. So you guys, I am so happy that I love this so much. It really is standing out, but this lipstick it feels really nice on the lips, hydrating. It looks matte, but it feels velvety and almost even satiny on the lips because it feels hydrating. Very forgiving. I do have some dryness on the center of the lips, but it's not accentuating it. This lipstick gets a 9 out of me. The packaging, everything, the formula, the application is beautiful. So we're going to move on to the liquid lipstick because this is the one I kind of, because since this one is matte and long wearing, I want to end this review with this one. So I'm going to wipe my lips really quick and I'll be right back. Okay, so moving on to the liquid lipstick. Let me show you the packaging first. This is I'm Still Here. But look how pretty this packaging is. It says, me, you, yours. In script, love the font. I mean, the packaging, the packaging gets a 10 for the brand. So the Give by Gwen, I'm Still Here long wear clean matte liquid lipstick. It retails for $24. Same color, is supposed to be the same shade as the lipstick, except this is liquid and it's also long wear. It's supposed to be a lightweight formula, and this is what the applicator looks like. Just your regular looking lip doppler. It smells really sweet, like vanilla-y kinda. I'm just gonna, here is the liquid lipstick. So it's definitely the same shade, except it instantly looks matte. I will say that the applicator is nice. It's easy to like get around the lip line and, you know, have some control. I mean, I really like this. I love the shade. The formula feels comfortable but not hydrating. Again, it's a matte formula. I'm looking at that like dry patch I was mentioning earlier, that the lipstick was a little bit better at you know, kind of not accentuating. This one is doing a really good job too. It doesn't, the lips don't look dry or cracking. I'm gonna quickly change and, you know, just be more presentable. I also want to go have something to drink and move around because I want to have more to give you about the longevity, the long wear abilities of the liquid lipstick. And then we'll wrap this up. You're not even halfway through my dinner. My lips were already looking like how they are right now. You know, it's not eating proof for sure. And I would lightly drink. I'm going to apply it and then talk because this is what I'm going to end I'm going to continue this review wearing. So I am going to finalize this review by just rating. So from best, so what I would try from the Give by Gwen Stefani line, and then like my least favorite. And I think you guys probably already can predict what these are. But here we go. I even put it back in the bag. I purchased these, so you better bet your butt that I'm returning one of these bags. So my favorite from Give, from what I tried today, and I would 100% recommend for you guys to try. Although there are so many reds out there, I do find this very unique in the formula. It's very comfortable. It like moves with as I'm talking. Like my lips still look really like juicy, and it's matte, but not, it still has like that vibrancy, like a vibrant matte. I really recommend this. I love this. You will see this color here, this lipstick, in my channel again, for sure. My second choice would definitely be the Give Line It Up 24-Hour Gel Pencil Eyeliner. This would be my number 2. I do think that it is a nice formula. I mean, I'm looking at like the waterline is still so deep, really dark. So if you like, guys, like, and I'm looking at the tight line is there. This is like a really, really nice liner, pigmented. The only thing, it's not perfect, and it's very messy, very messy. So you want to be very careful with the cap, because the lightest of contact will break it, and then you end up getting it like really messy, and this stuff is really hard to come out. So this is definitely one product to have when it's going to be a humidity, crying, dancing, all kinds of activity where you want that longevity. Yeah, so this is my second choice. The third would be the liquid lipstick. It's really nice. The shade, again, it's the same red. Comfortable. Not as comfortable as this. It definitely does feel like a liquid lipstick. I don't feel like nothing revolutionary with this. And last, and definitely least, you guys, is the Give IC in Color Multi-Dimensional Eyeshadow Quad in the shade Danger Zone. And I want to specify that I am pretty sure, and I'm hoping that they are all different, all of the other palettes. Because this one, it's not it. There's my review for the Give by Gwen Stefani. You guys, let me know if you like this style of review, if you found it helpful, if you've tried any of the line's products, and if you will, and are you going to be trying. Please let me know in the comment section below. And if you haven't yet, please make sure to subscribe and like this video. And I hope to see you on the next one. Bye.